What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the videos. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. Everything's going great for you. Today I'm actually heading down to base to go to work but I'm going to be grabbing some tunes off a truck to do some EFI live tuning. I know you guys are always super excited about that, so I'm kind of going to go over the process of reading the file and getting it onto your computer. Now I have to make sure I have the most updated EFI on my computer, which I kind of forgot to do, but I'll just use my hotspot and kind of update it real quick. It doesn't take too long. As far as that goes, we're just going to be doing like a single economy tune on it, nothing too crazy, not a DSP-5 switch, so I'm sure it's not whatever you guys are normally used to seeing, but we will be doing some tunes on it, so that gets me excited. It's fun to do again, and we'll kind of go over all the steps on the way to get there. So it should be a pretty good video. So without further ado, I'm gonna drive down to base and I will catch up with you guys when we get there and we can start reading the file and everything. Alright guys, so we're in a 2001 Duramax. We're gonna go over just the reading of the tune basically on this truck. So you have your OBD2 plugged in to your flash scan plugged in your computer. Make sure you have the most recent EFI live up and everything. So we're gonna actually go over, before we get to this, we're gonna open up the scan tool, or the V8 Explorer. Actually, we should probably open up the V8 I'm gonna open up the V8 scan and tune tool and make sure the firmware and everything's up to date on it. So just gonna check the firmware. Update the firmware. And I'm actually gonna go grab a new battery for my GoPro because for some reason this one keeps taking a crap, and it's the same one I was trying to film with the other day, so I'm having issues with it. I hope I brought it. I don't know if I did though. So I'm actually just switching over to my iPhone, but you can see everything is updated here. We had a new release. I already updated. I checked it this morning, so everything's good. So we're gonna go back, open up the tune version 7.5. We're gonna make sure the key is forward, and then we need to read the TCM. I don't know how to work this video. Okay, I don't know what I just did, but anyways, we should be able to check. Alright, not this one. LB7 ECM, check status. Okay, we're probably having, my little plug down here is broken, but apparently I am having issues with my ECM, or my flash scan. It says disconnect and try again. So we're gonna disconnect it, try and plug it back in. There we go. So you want to make sure nothing gets unplugged while this is happening. You're going to start by reading it. This usually takes a few minutes, so it's going to be probably about 5 minutes or 2 minutes to do this, and we'll just fast forward through all of this. Alright, so now that this is finished downloading, you want to make sure that you turn the ignition to the off position, hit the OK button, and this is going to give you cooldown time. And once you let this cool down, you should basically have the whole computer file on the truck. Now, this truck looks like it was tuned before. This is kind of a dead giveaway, so I'm going to drill the hole in the dash. So I'm hoping that the ECM isn't locked or anything, and it should pull up the file right now. So now we have all the information, the VIN number, the LB7, all that good stuff. There's obviously no calibrations or everything, but you have all your boost control parameters, everything, just so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. Basically have the whole truck's information computer system on the computer now. So basically I will make another video about tuning this truck and kind of making everything the way we want it. We have to turn off some check engine lights and all that stuff. So basically just a quick upload for the reading of efilive onto like your computer, your laptop, through your V2 or anything like that, your AutoCal. I don't know if it works for AutoCal, but basically this is what you're gonna see. And if you're trying to write your own tunes, this is kind of where you would start. So we will get through this. I will make a whole nother video on tuning this truck. If we decide to tune it, I don't know if he wants to go with my tunes or if he wants to go with an actual tuner. I don't really know yet because we're not doing anything crazy. It's just gonna be a single tune. So I'm gonna do some research on that and see if, you know, we can just write them up something quick and not too big of a deal. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just a real quick video kind of on efilive and that whole stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know a lot of you guys were asking, and it's just kind of happened to fall into place that we have some videos now. So stay tuned. We'll do some more tuning and we'll go over the whole process. Have a good day, guys.